Hi friends, let me show you this new automatic pet water fountain that I received for reviewing purposes. This is a great accessory for any pet owner as it has different functions. Mainly, it will help your pets to get fresh water all the time. It holds up to 8 liters of water and it will recirculate it through a filter so your pets have a really nice water experience. Let me show you what we get in the package. As you can see, the product comes nicely packed, really protected, okay? It's a large unit, so you can use it even if you have more than one pet, okay? This is the drinking surface. This is where the water pump will be attached. This is where the filters are going to be installed. And you have a large drinking surface. You get 3 filters to start with. You can order extra units. You get the user manual. This is the water fountain. Goes here, where the water will come out. You also get a brush to clean the water pump. And this is the water pump. Easy to use, nicely sized. And you also get the USB-A connector to power it up, okay? It even has a filter here that you will be able to clean and change whenever you need it. And that's it. The pump goes here, really easy. That's it. The cable will come out this way. Here. First, we're gonna rinse the filter so it's clean for the first use. Then we're going to install it. We are going to put the water tank up to the max level. While we do that, we're going to install the filter, okay? You see? So easy. The water comes through this hole and goes straight to the filter and then to the tank. The filter will work, and if there is no water left, the filter will stop, so it is protected, okay? As you can see, 8 liters, okay? We're gonna test it like that. You just fit the upper part here, and that's it. You connect it, and you will have water coming out of the faucet, so the pets will always be able to drink circulated fresh water, okay? The water filter and the water pump will give you a blue light if the water level is okay, and it will change to red if it's not okay. So you will know when to put more water. As you can see, the water level is great for medium, small, and large pets, and its size is large enough for multiple pets, as mine. They can drink from the lower part of the basin or from the fountain.